Hello everyone, it's Jess. And this is Maddie.
Hi.
And Kelsey.
And I'm doing stuff.
Oh, she's showing you beautiful artwork. We're doing a new series. This is going to be called
Beads, Beads.
Alright, we're going to be unboxing the Magical Mystery Bead Box from JJB Beads.
Yeah.
And this was the May box.
Yeah.
Alright, you ready to open it up?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
We have not opened this yet.
Oh.
Ooh, it's called Viva Frida. May 2023 Magical Mystery Bead Box. Ooh. Frida Kahlo. Nothing is worth more than laughter. It is strength to laugh and to abandon oneself, to be light. Frida Kahlo.
No, what's and this is gonna be so beautiful.
Frida with
so
Picasso
colorful,
earrings.
Okay?
So beautiful.
Let me get one.
Oh, look at the turquoise and purples. Oops, there goes our stand. Oh, what's in there, girls? Oh, what's that, Maddie? Ooh, some ribbon. That's cool. Let's see.
Color is it?
Ribbon. Let's see what it says about it.
Okay.
Hand embroidered ribbon from Izmal, Mexico. Ooh, and it has ribbon end bindings. A custom mother of pearl bead set.
Maddie, open this.
Multicolored enamel chain. Bead mix in the frame. Bead mix in the two Fridas. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 mixes and then a bead strand. Bead mix in portrait with monkeys. Bead mix in Frida with Picasso earrings. Ooh, hold that up to the camera. There's the bead strand. Ooh, what do you think about it?
Can I show them this? Can I show them this?
What do you think about this one, Maddie?
I want to show them this. Hello, this is so beautiful.
Oh, the two Fridas. Look at these pretty blues. Okay, Kelsey. With a little bit of green in there. Look at those little...
The two Fridas.
What are they? Like a tulip bead cap. Super cool.
Oh.
I love those. And these little flower beads. What else we got?
What?
Two Fridas. It's like blues and whites and silvers. Ooh. What's that one called? The frame.
The frame.
Pretty. Let's see, here's this one. Ooh, look at those colors. What do you think about those colors, Maddie?
Oh, wow. Can I open mine and show them?
Okay.
Open it for me because I don't want to explode it.
These are nice little containers that they put in the sun.
Whoa.
Ooh, it's got like some little tassels, little flower tassels. Got blues.
Pink.
And like a pinkish coral color. And then we got like some light yellow. Pretty.
Today, guys,
We got some metal.
Today,
Here's
guys,
the bead frames.
it's night time, and I have a weekend day all the way to my birthday.
Weekend day all the way to my birthday because it's summer vacation now.
Yeah.
Yep.
And it's my grandma's month.
Ooh, these are pretty.
Whoa.
What do you think about
And
those, huh?
I have a new one, another one, pineapple.
Pearls. Some metal spacers in there.
The gold in there.
Some little bicones.
What's this one called? Do we already check this out? No, we didn't.
We haven't even pulled everything out of this box yet. Look at all this fun stuff. Oh, that one's called Self-Portrait with Monkeys. So there's the ribbon and writings.
Can I check them?
Ooh, is this the chain? Multicolor enamel chain. Oh, this is cool. How do we open this?
inside the bag.
This is a neat little bag. Look how cool this chain is. Oh my gosh, that is so fun. What do you think about this chain? It's like rainbow colors. Multicolored enamel chain. Like little donuts. What do you think, Maddie?
Can you open this because I want to show them that?
You like it? It's super cool, huh? She loves it. Okay, let's open this. Self-portrait with monkeys. Ooh, look at that. It's like some greens.
This is my favorite one, Mom.
You like that one?
Yeah.
Like some... It's like a bronze with a gold edges. Teardrops. Ooh, what is that? Ooh, how cute is that? It's a little hummingbird charm. Oh my gosh, that is too cute.
There's two.
Green teardrops. Ooh, some more drops. It looks like green onyx. Bring it down a little bit. There you go. Really,
Ew, look at
I love the
this.
colors in this one.
And
Look
look
at
at
these greens.
like shiny, and then it's like little bit like a little pinkish.
Oh yeah, this one. Oh, those are pretty on. It's like silver on the side, and then inside is like the purple. Super pretty.
Guys, actually not
Gold.
your mom, okay? I just talked to my mom, okay, guys?
She's talking to her mom, guys. These are like green onyx color. Those are pretty.
I was like these ones.
Oh yeah, some like bead caps.
Whoa, look at these.
You can never have too many bead caps. Yeah. Gold bead caps.
Well, what are
Cones.
that? Well, what are these?
Those hummingbirds are my favorite. These
Whoa,
are
this is rainbow.
so cute.
This is rainbow.
Is there two of them in here? Oh, look at the little monkey charm. I knew there had to be a little monkey charm in here.
Has it called has a monkey in it?
How cute is that?
I want to feel
It's
it.
called, yeah, Self-Portrait with Monkeys. Of course it has a little monkey charm in it.
I like all these.
Where'd it go? Where's the monkey charm?
Put it back in.
Oh, okay. Is there two of those? Gotta be two for a little pair of monkey earrings. Like there's so many treasures in here. Yeah, there's two hummingbirds and two little monkey charms.
Oh, what's this?
Alright, is that everything?
No, fakes.
What's that? Oh, there's more little charms.
Uh,
I can get it back in there. Close it. I like these little containers. These are nice.
how can you open this?
We haven't even opened this one yet. Frida with Picasso earrings.
I want to feel
Look
this.
at this
I want to feel this.
filigree pendant in here. Oh, it's like some howlite
I want to feel this.
or magnesite.
I want to feel this.
Faux turquoise. We got some. Ooh, look at these really cool metal flower components. And look at the roses, Maddie.
Oh, you like a necklace with this?
Aren't these pretty?
Oh, look, you can put a necklace on it. Look.
Oh, I love these chandelier components.
This ribbon, it looks so cute. There's only one in there.
I love making chandelier earrings.
Look, there's only one in there.
There's
No
two of
two.
these.
Look at it.
Bunch of roses.
Hey, let me feel some.
Tassels. And then look at this piece. Oh, I love this.
Oh, it's like painted.
Patina. Painted
feel it.
filigree heart pendant. That is super cool. I
I
love it.
want to sound those. I want to touch those.
Okay, here. What do you think? Pretty cool, huh?
Maybe.
Super fun. All these little flower tassels too.
Does this go there?
Mhm.
I'm gonna put the ribbon back. Ribbon fell.
I think this pendant might be my favorite.
Also
piece of the whole
mine.
look.
I like the little ribbon.
Along with those little hummingbird charms.
I like the ribbon. The ribbon is so
Like the
beautiful.
ribbon. Oh, let's put the ribbon in under the camera. I gotta take a look at that again.
So, let me show you this log. That's how long it is. Wow, that's
Whoa.
how long it is.
Let me see. Is that pineapples? Oh, it's flowers. I almost thought it was pineapples. It's super pretty. Very cool.
Mom, I want to feel this. I want to feel this.
It definitely has Frida vibes. Not fabric. Ribbon.
I want to
You got
feel
some more little
that.
charms in here. See if we can. There you go. Oh, these are like some special mother of pearl
Give me it.
beads. They like hand dye these or paint these type of beads. What's on there? Is that a little monkey? I think it is.
So it goes with the little monkey.
It's like a little monkey guy, I think.
Boo.
Those are fun. Where's the charm? Show the charm. It's the Frida Kahlo sugar skull. Is that what it is? Sugar skull.
Got to show mine.
Yep. That's cute. It's like a Dia de los Muertos sugar skull. It looks like. But it's Frida Kahlo. Kahlo. Super cool, very fun box.
Mom, where
Love
did
it. I love this
April
chain
go?
too. Whoa, there goes our phone stand again. All right, Maddie, what do you think about these colors in this box? You think it's fun?
Yeah.
Think it's cool?
What are these? Put these under
1,
there.
2, 3, 4 mixes. The bead strand, the multicolored enamel chain. But yeah, custom mother of pearl bead set. And the hand embroidered ribbon. Very cool. Love it.
Forgot to show that.
Oh, yeah. That's the ribbon end binding. So you take that and you attach it to the end of your ribbon. And then you can filming a video. It's called Kids and Beads. Do you want to be in it?
Oh no, but Mom has something to ask you. It's really important.
All right, that's the Jesse James Beads box for May.
Bye.
Hope you guys enjoyed our Kids and Beads unboxing.
Bye, kids and beads, kids and beads, kids and beads, kids and beads.